Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.88. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 13.83% since we initially recommended Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.73% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 9.51% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 40.87% to negative 9.51%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 38.38%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 61.30% and negative 30.91% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $43.53 and $77.70. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Advanced Micro Devices. The stock price of Advanced Micro Devices rose by 4.01% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025. The price increased from $108.12 to $112.46. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.79%, with a low of $109 and a high of $113.13. The price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days and is up by 17.07% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also rose on the last day, aligning with the price increase, which is a positive technical indicator. A total of 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with an overall trading volume of 53 million shares, amounting to approximately $6.02 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price sits 39.95% or $74.82 below the 52-week high, and 50.52% or $114.84 below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, has made significant strides in the tech industry, highlighted by multiple key collaborations and product launches announced today. A strategic partnership with Cyberlink aims to enhance the on-device generative artificial intelligence capabilities for a broader user base, targeting the rapidly growing artificial intelligence market. Additionally, AMD has entered a substantial collaboration valued at $10 billion with Humane to deploy up to 500 megawatts of artificial intelligence infrastructure, leveraging its ROCm open software ecosystem. This positions AMD as a leading player in artificial intelligence technology amidst rising global demand. Management has expressed confidence in robust growth for the year 2025, underscoring their commitment to innovation. Furthermore, the launch of the AMD EPYC 4005 series processors, now available through major platforms like Newegg, provides enterprises with cost-efficient server solutions. This trend towards energy-efficient, high-performance technology is crucial for attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. In terms of stock impact, these developments could positively influence AMD's short-term performance, as investor sentiment often sways with news of strategic partnerships and product launches. Over the long term, sustained engagement in the lucrative artificial intelligence sector and continuous technological advancement are likely to enhance the company's growth trajectory, potentially leading to increased stock valuation and market confidence. As market dynamics fluctuate, AMD's strong foundations in both artificial intelligence and server technology could serve as a stabilizing force for its stock price amidst broader economic uncertainties. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS gave AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities provided AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AMD a hold grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Advanced Micro Devices stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support levels are present at $103.52 and $96.93. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 43.79%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 128 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $100.36 and $96.84. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a further decline to the next support level. In this instance, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $100.36. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $96.84 and $85.76. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.13 between its high and low, equating to 3.79%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 65 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $113.10. If you do not possess any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $100.36. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of May, 2025, Elizabeth W. Vanderslice executed an insider purchase of 1,547 shares of common stock. On the same date, Elizabeth W. Vanderslice also conducted an insider sale of 1,547 shares of restricted stock units. On the 8th of May, 2025, Abhijit Y. Talwalkar made an insider purchase of 1,547 shares of common stock. On that same day, Abhijit Y. Talwalkar performed an insider sale of 1,547 shares of restricted stock units. On the 8th of May, 2025, John A. Olson carried out an insider purchase of 1,547 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 16.032. Overall, insiders acquired 710,848 shares and sold 1,021,944 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $108.82, representing a decline of 3.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 88, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate positivity, even though the stock is currently experiencing a downward trend. We believe that the existing level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we anticipate advanced micro devices to open lower by 93 cents. Starting at $111.53. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.